Hi, guys. Welcome back to Job Journey. It's wonderful to see so many of you getting responses from the opportunities shared in our previous videos. We are really happy for you all. In today's video, we will dive into how you can apply for various roles at Google and succeed in landing a position there. Many people think getting into Google company is a very difficult thing. But with the right preparation and patience, you can meet the eligibility requirements and stand out. Get your dream job at Google. And eligibility criteria is 2020 to 2024 graduates and the location is Hyderabad. It includes of degree and engineering students who can apply and the salary ranges from 4 lakhs to 40 lakhs per annum. So let's get started. First, let's explore the role of Technical Operations Engineer, Desktop Support, where the expected salary is 4 lakh per year. This position requires a bachelor degree in computer science or a related technical field or equivalent practical experience. Candidates should have 1 year of experience in designing, developing, or troubleshooting technologies such as Linux, networking, mobile, video conferencing, or video technologies. Next, we have the role of software engineer to infrastructure, corporate engineering. It has an expected salary of 24 lakhs to 41 lakhs per year. Applicants should have a bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience and 1 year of experience with software development in one or more programming languages like Python, C, C++, Java, or JavaScript. The role of engineering analyst. It offers a salary of 10 lakhs per year. Candidate needs a bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience with 1 year of experience in data analysis, identifying trends, generating summary statistics, and drawing insights from quantitative and qualitative data. Additionally, candidates should have 1 year of experience managing projects, defining project goals, scope, and deliverables. Moving on to the role of security analyst, enterprise security operations. Here, the expected salary ranges from 10 lakhs to 11.3 lakhs per year. Applicants should have a bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience and 1 year of experience analyzing cyber threats. Next comes the business analyst role. For YouTube, Trust and Safety offers a salary between 35 lakhs to 41 lakhs per year. This role requires a bachelor's degree in quantitative field such as mathematics, physics, statistics, computer science, engineering, economics, operations research, bioinformatics, or computing biology, or equivalent practical experience. Candidates should have 2 years of experience in management consulting, investment banking, business intelligence, data science, or corporate strategy, along with experience in data analysis, modeling, SQL, and presentations. Next comes the programmatic specialist role in G-Care Customer Experience, English. It offers an expected salary of 30 lakhs per year. Candidates should have 3 years of experience in account management and programmatic media, as well as experience in digital marketing, measurement and attribution, marketing analysis, programmatic advertising, or programmatic marketing. They are expecting fluency in English is required to effectively communicate in this customer-facing sales role. Next comes the Policy Enforcement Manager position for YouTube Trust and Safety, which comes with a salary of 4 lakh per year. This role requires a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience and 2 years of experience in data analysis, cybersecurity, technology research, anti-abuse, policy or related fields. Next comes the UX writer and content designer role in corporate engineering. The expected salary is 9 lakhs per year. Applicant should have bachelor degree in English, journalism, communication or literature, business or marketing or a related field or equivalent practical experience, and 1 year of experience in writing, editorial, marketing or UX writing or related areas. Next role is Technical Solutions Consultant, engineering system role. This offers a salary of 19 lakhs per year. This position requires a bachelor's degree in engineering, computer science or a related field or equivalent practical experience and 1 year of experience in technical troubleshooting and writing code in 1 or more programming languages. They are expecting experience in technical project management, stakeholder management, professional services, solution engineering, or technical consulting is also required. Next comes, we have program manager role in data operations role, which offers a salary of 40 lakhs per year. Candidate should have a bachelor's degree in engineering or equivalent practical experience along with 1 year of experience in program management, experience in process improvement, vendor management, budget planning, stakeholder management, or cross-functional program management is essential. Next comes the role of analyst in trust and safety, which offers a salary between 35 lakhs to 40 lakhs per year. This position requires a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience with 2 years of experience in data analysis, trust and safety, policy, cybersecurity or related fields. Next we have the role of Scale Abused Analyst role in the YouTube Partner Program. The expected salary is 4 lakh per year. Applicant should have a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience and 1 year of experience in data management, metrics analysis, experiment design and automation. Experience with classification systems, ranking systems or similar is also necessary. Next role is Policy Enforcement Manager in Trust and Safety. This offers a salary of 4 lakh per year. This position requires a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience and 2 years of experience in data analytics, trust and safety, policy, cybersecurity or related fields. The next role is data scientist in support platform data science. This offers a salary range of 11.8 lakhs to 30.5 lakhs per year. Candidate should have a bachelor's degree in statistics, mathematics, data science, engineering or physics, economics or a related quantitative field or an equivalent practical experience. They are expecting 1 year of experience with statistical data analysis applications, data mining, querying, like SQL and coding Python or SQL is required. The next role is Vendor Operations Manager role in Trust and Safety Operations. It offers a salary of 9 lakhs per year. This role requires a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience and 2 years of experience with vendor management, program management, or content moderation. Experience with stakeholder management and execution is also needed. The next role is Engagement Abuse Analyst role, which offers a salary of 4 lakhs per year. Candidates should have a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience with 1 year of experience in data management, metrics analysis, experiment design, and automation. Experience with classification systems, ranking systems, or similar is essential. The next role is the Shopping Specialist role in GTech Ads, which offers a salary between 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs per year. This position requires a bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience with 2 years of experience in digital marketing and advertising. They are expecting experience in search advertising, consulting, and Google Shopping, as well as working on analytical problem-solving projects is necessary. The next role is the Digital Marketing Strategist role. It offers a salary range of 15 lakhs to 37.3 lakhs per year. Application should have a bachelor's degree or an equivalent practical experience and 3 years of work experience in digital marketing, sales, and multifunctional project management leadership with customer impact. The next role is Software Engineer, core role. The expected salary for this role is 18 lakhs per year. This position requires a bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience and 1 year of experience with software development in one or more programming languages such as Python, C, C++, Java or JavaScript. Lastly, the Software Engineer 2, Full Stack Corporate Engineering role. This offers a salary between 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs per year. Candidate should have a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience and 1 year of experience with software development in one or more programming languages like Python, C, C++, Java or JavaScript, as well as they are expecting 1 year of experience with data structures or algorithms. All the links for these job openings at Google are in the description below. Make sure to apply. Remember, liking, sharing and subscribing not only helps our channel grow, but also ensure you and others stay updated on latest job opportunities. So go ahead, smash that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more amazing content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Your dream job must be just a ding away. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.